Jotono Funkam, Joto Lukrogno, and Mangple Funamuso, 9 just after crossing to the residential school, 9 highway road ni sidewall. Belakana Kolasong Tanka Nide, Bisinga Kunu maintenance crane, Bisinga quality Kuno Mosla Crane, Kunu cement crane, just it sorry, Pathol cement in Beda Rizak Bisinga. Kuno cement crane, just Sako Simino, our father cement lepezak. Okay. Umahai judi singkai just 30 minutes si watai wow mia watai just 30 or 40 minutes singkai therefore 2 days 3 days phaiga ka tamong nai sini thinang ni route communication tamong nai actually jara higher authority tongnai hai ka high level tongnai kuchugo tongnai ya kolok rok no kisisa sini thinang bobishot route communication ni bagai. Kindly look this matter. Tange Himalaya ong yake. Judisi 2-3 din wadi fiber klai. O jaga si mohai ke joto jagan quality mohai ong thangnai. Engka joto sidewall si collapse ong thangpai nai apro tam khaine seng. After completing everything highway road judisi sidewall o mohai ong khaklai o tabu quality ongmani joto quality bo mohai nong nai. Engkai 2 days 3 days rok phaigen ka joto collapse ong thanga ka singtam khainai sini thinang no route communication of kisar kindly please look about this matter hambai joto no